Gusto mo?
Ay. Philips here, cereal. Hi guys, so update. It's 10:46 na ng umaga and our first stop is Lakay Ago here in Ago, La Union. So we will be having our lunch here kasi hindi pa talaga kami kumakain even breakfast. So yeah, nag-stop lang kami dito and I found it on TikTok kasi sikat sila. So let's try kung masarap ang food. So guys, it's been a while since I vlog and my last vlog na na-upload ko sa YouTube is last month pa, which is my birthday vlog. So pumunta kami ng LU for my birthday and after a month, bumalik kami sa LU. So yeah, that's our agenda and our trip. I love my kulot. Very Mia, Catherine Bernardo. Feeling. Nakakapagod. Pataas siya, guys.
Dito lang.
Ang taas. So we have here bagnet, calamares, and salmon. Let's so dyan yung resto guys, dyan kami kumain. This is the view. Super taas niya. Mountain view. So guys, nag-picture kami here. Friends. Sobrang init. Ang ganda dito. Like, look at that. O diba? So pretty. Tapos pagpasok, yun siya. Para siyang cave. Pwede siya mag-dine in here. Let's go na. It's so So guys, now we're on the way to our second stop, which is the PowerPoint Lighthouse here in LU, San Juan, La Union. So, check namin kung open yung parang parang may cliff doon. Kasi like, last month na pumunta kami dito, hindi kami nakapunta, hindi namin alam na may ganun. So, nung nakita ko to sa TikTok, sabi ko, kay Allen, punta kami ulit. So, we'll see. Kasi sabi nila, hindi na daw open. Hindi pa daw, bawal na daw pumunta dun sa parang cliff, dun sa lighthouse. So, titignan natin. I'm hoping na sana open siya. And now we're here. They guys see God. Ayan. Nakapunta na ako dyan as you can see sa last vlog. Pupunta kami dun sa cliff. Sana open please. May tao. Okay guys, update. Tingin namin bawal talaga kasi may harang. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, sadly may harang talaga siya and we're trying to ask. So we're trying to ask kung pwede talaga. Tinatry ni Allen dun sa parang meron kasing enforcer dun. So, tatanong namin kung pwede. Sabi sa TikTok, bawal na daw pumunta dun sa cliff here kasi may namatay daw, may nahulog. So, kaya sinara. So, nag-iikot-ikot kami guys. Naghahanap kami ng pupuntahan kasi 3 p.m. pa yung check-in namin dun sa hotel. So, ang aga pa. I think it's 1:30 pa lang magtutu. Something like that. So, dito yung entrance nila guys and this is the parking. Super laki. And dito yung patio by Balay Norte din. And this is by Sen. So, same lang sila ng owner. But we chose here. Okay guys, update. Nandito na kami sa aming hotel. We're here at Sen by Balay Norte, San Juan. So, I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. So, pagpasok mo, here's the CR. Actually, super liit lang niya na room. And yeah, may full-length mirror. And then, merong fridge. Tapos may mga sabitan dyan. And they have this hair dryer and a little vanity here and the bed na. This is their CR guys. So cute! Ang ganda ng lighting. Ayan, kasi ito lang ang shower. Hot and cold shower. So nice bathroom. So, it's a very nice, cutesy hotel. Perfect siya for couple or pag konti lang kayo. So, we got the deluxe room. Ang hotel na to is a container vibe hotel. So, parang, as you can see, parang may container yung mga walls niya like that. And, meron pang mas bigger dito, but pang maramihan na siya. So, ayun yung loft type na room. So if you guys are gonna ask me kung merong entrance fee dun sa Lakay Ago. It's free guys. You can just go there and dine there. Actually, ano siya, talagang restaurant and cafe na may view. Tapos marami siya. It's super Instagrammable. Super dami mong pwedeng pag-picturean. So, if you wanna visit, so I just wanna let you know guys na free siya. But, I think you need to dine there. Like, kailangan umorder. And doon naman sa Poro Point Lighthouse, free rin siya. But there's a checkpoint there kasi parang may military kineme dun. So, pagpasok mo, may checkpoint and they're gonna ask you if saan yung punta nyo doon. And just say lang na you're gonna visit the lighthouse lang. So, ayun. Papasok na kayo doon. Super free. Take pictures as much as you want. Kanina, hindi na kami nagpicture kasi nakapunta naman na kami doon. So, hindi na kami nagpicture. So, yeah. Ayun lang aking little update. So now guys, I'm preparing to go out. And this is what I'm wearing. Shorts lang ako na white. Let's go. So we're going out. Ayan yung parking guys. And this is their reception. So yun lang yung mga rooms. And yung pool area. Tapos may dining here.
Maraming klaseng saludo.
event. Hindi namin kung ano yun. Hydrolaon yun ata to.
Sa ganito naman po, meron din kulay po. Gusto mo?
Ay. Okay guys, hindi kami naligo. As you can see, nag-picture-picture lang kami kasi I forgot my towel. Itong lalaking to ayaw mabasa yung kotse niya. Kasi bago pa lang, so I understand. Saan tayo, love? Dito ba? I love my necklace. Matches my outfit. So guys, nandito kami sa restaurant ng hotel natin. Nag-stayan namin. They have a restaurant here, but located sila dito sa Pato. So, likod, harap lang ng hotel namin. So, mag-connected kasi yung patio and Sen by Balay Norte. Pagkakaalam ko wala sa pool, as yung Sen meron. Dun sa hotel namin meron. Tulad pa rin ako guys. So I'm having tapa and he's having adobo. Food coma. So, pagod na kami guys. I'm so tired. As you can see guys, ayun yung patio. Pupunta ka dyan and ito lang yung hotel namin. Pwede kayong mag-shuttle. Pero kanina nakalimutan namin mag-shuttle so nilakad namin. Hindi namin alam bakit. Yan, may kinukuha lang siya. No water. Pocari. Diba? Looky guys. Super ganda pag night. Look at the vibe. Diba? Super pagod tong araw. Hindi ganito yung pagod namin last month nung pumunta kami dito ng birthday ko. Mas pagod kami ngayon. Hello, pwede ba kami order ng ice? Yeah. Okay, thank you. So guys, we just got back to our hotel and nakapag-dinner na kami and I'm ready to sleep dahil super pagod. So guys, that's it for today and I'm ready to sleep. Nakaligo na ako and tapos na ako ma-skincare and all. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys again tomorrow. Bye! So good morning guys. Today is Saturday na and this is our last full day. Kasi tomorrow, uwi na kami. Actually, 12 PM pa ng tanghali yung check-out. We have to go home early kasi merong appointment or commitment si Allen sa umaga. So, we have to go back to Manila ng super aga. I don't know pa. But yeah, that's our agenda. Today is our last full day and kagising lang namin. It's 8:24 na ng umaga. So guys, if you're gonna stay here, meron silang free buffet sa breakfast lang. Gonna ride a shuttle papunta dun sa patio kasi dun yung buffet. Sawa na ako sa Coco Crunch. In fairness guys, ang daming choices. Heavy meal. So guys, I'm having Fruity Lips here, cereal. Ang dami kinuha ni Allen. I think di ko maubos to. And pusit, corned beef, and egg, fried rice, and waffle, bacon. Same lang rin sa kanya, but he got gulay rin. Yeah, let's eat. Guys, look at that. Nag-round to siya. Super dami. Kasi overall, ang sarap niya talaga. Dito lang ako naano kasi parang luma na yung cereal. Fruity Loops to. So, I'll rate it a 1 out of 10. But overall, pati ito, yung waffle and yung bacon. Super yummy. Masarap. Hindi ako kumuha tong ano. Yung parang longganisa, something. Sarap. Yeah. Pati itong potato wedges ba to? Yeah, super yum. Overall, I rate it a 9 out of 10. Ikaw, love. Overall, rate it.
100.
100? As a morning person kasi, mataas ang standard ko sa breakfast. Everyday ako nag-breakfast, guys. I love breakfast meal. So, yeah. 9 lang.
Ba't 9?
Masarap siya, pero parang may masasarap pa. Like that.
Bawal na.
Wala na. Si Alan kasi hindi siya nakakapag-breakfast. Ayaw niya mag-breakfast din. It's either minsan diet or minsan di rin siya nakakain. Kasi walang time. Workaholic ang ate mo, girl. So mag-hanggan kami, guys. Para bumaba yung kinain namin. Wait lang, no. Okay guys, tapos na ako mag-freshen up. Hindi na ako naligo kasi mag-swimming naman ako dun sa pool. So, mamaya maliligo naman ako after ko mag-swim. So, this is my second swimsuit. And lahat ng swimsuit ko, I got it from Shein. So, Shein, baka naman. Sarap. Yeah, I love this. Underwear siya. So guys, I prep na my skin. Skincare na ako. And I got this yesterday. Pumunta kami sa Watsons dito sa LU. They recommended this Deopros. I don't know kung ang tama yung pronunciation, but SPF 42. Maganda daw to sa as sunblock. So, we'll see if maganda. Kasi wala na akong sunblock and I forgot to buy sa Manila. Pwede to sa body and face daw. So, let's see. Lagay natin siya here. Kasi magsiswim tayo. So, lagay natin sa may white cast. Wala siyang white cast, as you can see. We're gonna swim, guys.
Bitawan lang pala sa sarili. Wala lang nabito lang.
Ayun pala, may towel. Nagdala pa ako. Pero okay na. Doon tayo sa couch, love. Sarap mag-swimming. Sarap.
Hindi ka?
Yeah.
Mababaw lang lahat?
Hindi, kalalim. Guys, napawid kami mag-swimming. And it's 11:30 na lang tanghali. And hindi pa kami gutom kasi ang dami namin nakain ng breakfast. So, here's our view. Look at our view. So pretty. So now guys, I'm preparing to go out. I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Okay guys, nagpalit na ako ng aking third swimsuit. Brown kasi never pa ako nakapagsuot ng brown na two-piece suit. And I'm just gonna wear this skirt. We're going out guys. Pupunta na kami. Saan? Yan? Get it na love! Minsan lang eh. Nandito na rin lang tayo. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Hi, love. Guys, we're on the way to Fat Wave. Tatry namin kung masarap yung restaurant doon. Kasi nakita ko sa TikTok, sikat sila. So, let's try. Bought grapes and longgan. Ngayon ko lang nalaman yung fruit na yun. I never heard that before, love. Longgan. Hindi ko siya trip.
Longgan.
Longgan.
Ito yung longgan siya.
Guys, ang daming tao. Okay guys, we're back in our hotel room. So, hindi ako nakapag-pick sadly kasi super daming tao talaga kasi I think may concert sa Kabsat, like merong event doon. Like nakita nyo kahapon may event, diba? So ngayon gaganapin and nandun yung Sunkissed Lola, yung kumanta ng Pasilyo, if you guys know. And surprisingly, pagka-uwi namin, pagka-park namin kanina dito sa hotel, nandun yung Sunkissed Lola, like dito sila nagstay. Tapos, parang gumagawa sila ng video, something like, hi, sabi nila, hi, we're the Sunkissed Lola. Tapos sabi, Sunkissed Lola? Tapos nagulat kami ni Allen na nandun lang pala sila sa parking. Tapos kami lang yung tao dun sa parking. Tapos nahihiya pa kaming magpa-picture. Sabi, pa-picture na tayo. Kasi nahiya kami. Kasi parang gumagawa sila ng vlog or something vid. Kaya ayaw namin maka-istorbo. So, hindi na kami nakapag-pic. But we saw them. Guys, we have to check out early. Good morning. And I think it's 4:30 na ng umaga. Kasi nga, merong commitment si Alan ng 9 a.m. So, we have to go home early. Kasi dapat 12 p.m. pa yan. Na ng tanghali yung check out namin. So, yeah. Aga ko naligo. Going home. Close ko na lang, love. Wait. Stair lobby, guys. Tapos pagpasok mo, dyan na yung hotel. And here yung swimming pool. So you have to walk there. Papunta dun. Madilim, hindi siya masyado kita.